Hi viewers, in this video, we're going to cover the essential environment setup needed for a Django project and walk through the steps to create a new Django project. First, let's set up the required environment. We need the Python language interpreter. Go to the official Python website. Click on Download Python. An executable file, or exe file, will be downloaded. Double-click the file and follow the installation process, clicking Next until it's complete. Once installed, we need to set the environment variables for Python. In the Windows search bar, type Environment Variable. Open the option that appears. Click the Environment Variables button. Under the System Variables section, find and double-click on Path.
Now, we need to add two paths. Go to your C drive, find the folder where Python was installed. If you have Python 3.12 installed, it will appear as Python 312 and copy the folder path. In the path window, click New and paste the first path. Go inside the Python root folder and find the scripts folder. Copy this path as well. Then click New again and paste the second path. Click OK if you made changes. An Apply button will appear. Click it before clicking OK. To check if Python is working properly, open the command prompt, CMD, type Python, and press Enter. If the Python interpreter opens with version details, Python is working correctly on your system.
Next, we need a code editor. There are many great options, but for this video, I will be using VS Code. Go to the VS Code website and click Download. An executable file, or exe file, will be downloaded. Double-click the file and follow the installation steps. Next, Next, Install. Once installed, you can pin VS Code to your taskbar for easy access. Once you open VS Code, the initial screen will look like this. We need to install a few helpful extensions in VS Code. Click on the extensions icon, the 4 squares, on the sidebar. Type Code Runner in the search bar. Click the first result and click Install. Type Python in the search bar. Find the extension published by Microsoft and click Install.
Note: installing Code Runner enables the Run icon, which is crucial. If you haven't installed the Code Runner extension, then the Code Runner icon will not be enabled in VS Code. Now that the basic setup is done, let's set up the project folder and the virtual environment. Navigate to the File Explorer and click the Open Folder button. Alternatively, you can find the Open Folder option under the File tab in the top navigation bar. Select or create your project directory. I'm using a folder named Tutorials. A virtual environment is highly recommended because it keeps your project dependencies isolated, which is crucial when deploying to the cloud. In VS Code, open a new terminal. Terminal, New Terminal. Type Python-m venv virenv. Replace virenv with your preferred virtual environment name. I'll be using virenv in this tutorial. Then, execute the command in the terminal by pressing Enter. This will create a new folder named virenv in your project directory. Once complete, expand the virenv folder. Inside, you will see 3 main folders. First, open the Scripts folder. Here, you'll find the Python executable and other utility executables. You will also see an Include folder, but we don't need to concern ourselves with it for now. Next, expand the Lib folder. This is where all your installed Python libraries or packages are stored. Pip, the Python package manager, installs everything into this location.
Next step, you must activate the virtual environment. Type the folder name, virenv, type the word scripts, type activate and hit tab. The activate file is located in the scripts folder within your verenv directory. Press enter. You will see the environment name, verenv, appear in green at the beginning of your terminal prompt. This confirms the activation. We have now completed all the necessary setup to install Django, the Python interpreter, a code editor, VS Code, and a virtual environment. Now we can finally install the Django web framework. With the virtual environment active, type pip install Django and press enter.
The package and its supporting libraries will automatically download and install. The Django installation might take a little while to complete. Once the terminal prompt returns, it indicates that the Django installation has completed successfully. You can check the installation in a couple of ways. Go to your verenv folder, navigate to lib, and you will see the Django folder installed there, other supporting packages. Now we can proceed using the terminal. Type pip show Django and press enter. Then we can view all the details about the Django package. We still have a few commands to run to confirm the Django installation. Next, type python-m Django-version and press enter. This command outputs just the version number. Next, type Django admin-version and press enter. This shows the installed version number. Django admin is a default command that comes with the Django package. You can also list all available Django subcommands by typing Django admin. This displays basic commands like make migrations, migrate, and run server, which we will use frequently. We are now ready to create the final Django project using the Django admin command. Type the Django admin command followed by the Start Project subcommand. Next, provide the desired name for your project folder. Here, you can provide any project name that suits your needs. For this tutorial, since we're covering the basics, I'll use the name tudo_dj_basic. Press enter. A new folder named tudo_dj_basic is created in your working directory. If you expand it, you will see all the necessary files and folders. In the next video, we will fully explain the folder structure. Make sure to follow this series. If you liked this video, please like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching.